Hurricane Beryl barrels through the Caribbean. Popular cruise lines have been forced to alter their itineraries to ensure the safety of passengers and staff. Cruise ships from Royal Caribbean, Carnival, and Disney have all adjusted their Caribbean stops due to potential impacts from the storm. Record warm waters, combined with atmospheric conditions, allowed the cyclone to strengthen into a Category 5 hurricane, the earliest ever recorded in the Atlantic basin. Due to the storm's severity, port stops in popular tourist destinations such as Jamaica, the Cayman Islands, and the Yucatan have been altered. Carnival has announced that its Horizon ship will visit Nassau in the Bahamas instead of Cozumel, Mexico, and Grand Cayman in the Cayman Islands. Meanwhile, the Liberty has rescheduled its stop in Cozumel to maintain its distance from the storm. Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas, Wonder of the Seas, and Harmony of the Seas were all initially scheduled to stop at various locations within the impact zone, but have since modified their itineraries. And Disney's popular fantasy ship is no longer expected to stop in Jamaica during its 7-night excursion of the Caribbean and Southwest Atlantic. None of the cruise lines have canceled voyages, just simply have altered dates and destinations.